This recipe combines the goodness of rich gourd and has a rich flavor and unique combination of mustard seed and poppy seed paste. This sabji is one of those unique dishes which uses seasonal vegetable to turn it into a spectacular dish that could leave you craving for more. Moreover, this is a member of cucumber family. Rich gourd has high moisturizer content and low saturated fats. The succulent juicy gourd is a rich source of dietary fiber and serves as an excellent weight loss food. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's unique recipe with rich gourd. And ingredients are rich gourd, with that chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, mustard seed paste, poppy seed paste, with that salt and turmeric powder with some green chilies. Now let's begin the recipe. For that, first take the rich gourd and with the help of a peeler peel the outer skins and cut the both edges. Then make a big size chunks. You can make any size of your choice, though if you make very small size then it will get mushy when you cook further. So make sure while giving the shape to this rich gourd, make big size pieces as to avoid to get mushy when you cook this rich gourd into the gravy. After that, take the rich gourd, place them into the hot oil. I have used 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heats up, then slowly place the rich gourd and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes from one side only, so that it doesn't turn soggy when you cook in the gravy. Add little salt and turmeric powder. Fry it in a medium-high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the rich gourd is done, then remove it from the pan and into that same oil we will cook further. So those viewers of mine are maintaining their weight, for them this vegetable is ideal for you, as this contains low calories and high in fiber. After that, into that same oil add 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 2 medium-sized tomato chopped. Stir it and cook in a low flame for 4 to 5 minutes or until it turns mushy. After that, at this point of time, stir it again and then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of mustard seed paste and 1 tablespoon of poppy seed paste. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies slitted. Again stir it well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until oil start to separate from this gravy. After that, add half cup of water. Again mix everything well. Then add our fried rich gourd and cover and cook in a very low flame for 4 to 5 minutes maximum. As you know, rich gourd is very delicate, contains lot of water. It doesn't take too much time to cook. Finally, open and check. See how yummy and delicious it's looking. Oil has flown up. Our rich gourd is perfectly done. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves from above and then serve in a serving bowl and enjoy this with steamed rice only to get the 100% satisfaction in your taste bud. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and something different from the rest, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon, so when I upload my new recipe next time, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again with another new episode. Till then, bye bye.